Hey guys, welcome back to Random Shit, and today we are installing reflectors on my Grand Item Nios. So the first one we have is for the side mirrors, and I have ordered white colored reflectors because of the car color. In my opinion, some other color would have looked weird. I personally do not like it, but there are options available like red, blue, yellow, etc. if you are into that. These reflectors for side mirrors looks pretty good, and I think they enhance the look of the car too. And these are pretty easy to install, anyone can do it at home. And the second ones are for the car tires. We have got 20 of these, 5 for each tire. Let's just install these and see how these look. These last ones are for side doors. When you open the side doors at night, it's very risky if something is coming from behind. This little accessory, it can make a difference. Pretty easy to install again. All these reflectors you can install at home easily. It's hard to show the reflection in the video, but these works at night. I won't say these are too good, but these work fine in my opinion. So that's it for now. We'll be back with more.